One of the best things that I love about seasonal fruits and vegetables is the variety of recipes that you can create with them. And of course, there's no better way than to make a fruit salad. I know you're thinking, fruit salad isn't difficult. Just cut up some fruits and then add them in a bowl and mix them together. Well, you're partially right. But in this video, I'm going to share with you amazing tips to make the best fruit salad. And of course, a simple salad dressing recipe. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about healthy living, amazing food recipes, and lifestyle in general. Healthy living is a choice that you need to make today, and it's not difficult. All you need to do is take it a step at a time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and of course, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos every week, and you do not want to miss out on that. In order to make a perfect fruit salad recipe, you need to understand the different kind of fruits that you're going to use for your fruit salad. For fruit salads, I really love to use a variety of fruits to give me that colorful or rainbow color. So let's dive right into the video. The first tip while making fruit salad is make sure that every single utensil that you're going to use is properly washed and it's clean. So like I said before, when I make fruit salad, I love to add different types of fruits, and I always love to use about 4 to 6 different fruits for that vibrant rainbow color. So the first fruit that I'll be using today is pineapple, and we all know that pineapple is lovely. If you're not a lover of pineapple, that is totally fine. You can replace it with another fruit that you love. Now, pineapple aids with digestion. It also boosts immunity and may ease symptoms of arthritis in some people. It also helps with recovery after exercise. So if you're someone who does a lot of strength training exercise, weightlifting, really high intensity exercises, you should include pineapple in your diet. It would really help you to boost recovery after exercise. So what I did was just to peel off the skin of the pineapple, and I'm going to cut this into tiny chunks. I love my fruit salad to have tiny bits of fruit in them. It shouldn't be so large like the fruit itself. So just cut them into tiny chunks like I'm doing in the video. The first tip that I would give to you while making fruit salad is you need to understand that fruit salad is a meal on its own. It's like a delicacy on its own. And it is a dish that contains various kinds of fruit that gives you the luxury of eating varieties of fruit in one bite. It can be served as an appetizer or even a dessert, and even can be served as a side salad in some cases. Now, some fruit salad, they are made from different fruits, which means that it contains all the beneficial nutrients that every fruit contains. The first thing you have to do is look out for fruits with different colors. That is the first tip. So now we have our cucumber, and we all know that cucumber is the fruit of hydration. Cucumber contains about 95% water and then contains vitamins and minerals. And as you can see, I didn't peel off the skin of the cucumber because that is even where the nutrients are found, like more because of that green color. So cucumber is very important. It aids with hydration. It contains vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and also keep your bones healthy. Vitamin A helps with vision, and cucumber contains a lot of vitamin A, reproduction, and even the immune system. So because they contain 90% of water, they also have several phytonutrients called lignans. And these lignans are very, very important for the body. So the idea of your fruit salad is make sure that you cut up the vegetable or fruits that you're going to use in tiny bits like this so that you can enjoy the flavor more. The second tip is make sure that you wash your fruits under running water. The last thing that you want is a fruit salad that will give you food poisoning, or you taste sand or something different in them. Make sure that you wash them properly. Now our third fruit, red grapes. I love red grapes so much, and even the green ones. And this will take us to the third tip for you while making fruit salad. Make sure that you dry all the fruits to avoid excess water in your fruit salad. The worst thing that you want is to have a soggy, watery fruit salad. We do not want that at all. So when you wash your fruits, make sure that you dry them using a clean kitchen towel or a paper towel, and then you pat them dry. Now you cut up the grapes into tiny pieces. Like I said, you can use green grapes, you can also use the red grapes, you can even use the black grapes, whichever fruit that is okay with you. Now going back to grapes, I got these grapes from a local farm market where they get these fruits like directly from the farm, and trust me, they were so beautiful. I couldn't resist. Like, I just had to get it, and it's really, really delicious. So on to the next fruit, we have our mango. I love mango, and this is mango season. Mangoes add a creamy and tasty flavor to fruit salads. One important tip also about making fruit salad is make sure that you understand the kind of fruits that you want to use. It's always better to use fruits that will not produce so much of water, especially if you want to keep the fruit salad, to the next day or for 2 more days. And to some questions that people ask, how long can fruit salad last in my house? Well, it depends on you, 2 to 3 days at most. And one great thing about it is you can use the leftover of your fruit salad to make a lovely smoothie. Yes, that's it. So cut up your mango into tiny chunks and then place them into your plate. I always advise that you do not use bananas for fruit salad, like mixing them together. You can add bananas like after you have dished out the fruit salad in a plate or cup, but make sure that you add it after the dressing because it can get darkened. Same with apples. Next fruit is tangerines. Oh my god, tangerines are great, and they contain a lot of vitamin C. Trust me, you really need to add tangerines into your fruit salad. You can also add oranges if you want, but I just wanted that lovely orange color in our fruit salad because we need it. Now, fruit salad have so many benefits, such as promoting weight loss. Fruits are composed mainly of water, and they contain fewer calories. So this makes it, an excellent option for people who want to lose weight. It also contains a high fiber content because they are very important in our diet. Fibers solve the problem of constipation. If you have issues with constipation, you need to include fruit salad into your meal schedule for the week. And it also cleanses the bowel. Fiber also reduces your risk of getting colon cancer. So I'm going to slice one lemon, and this lemon is going to be used for our salad dressing. Okay, now I'm going to get the juice of one lemon. I just used half of the lemon here because I didn't want the taste of the fruit salad to be too tangy, but for some people who really love it, they can add one full lemon. So get a bowl just like this one, and we're going to pour in all our fruits one by one. The first thing that would go in would be cucumber, followed by our red grapes, and then I'm going to add the pineapple. You can see that this is turning out so good and it's looking great. I'm also going to add the mango, add as many fruits as possible. I'm going to add the tangerines, and this is looking so, so good. Another lovely thing I really love about fruit salad is the high energy levels that it gives to us. It contains a lot of vitamins, and this can really boost your energy. And this is the main reason why people who exercise eat more of fruits. Okay, so now for our salad dressing, this is very important. I'm going to pour in lemon juice into a plate like this. I'm also going to add some lime zest, just the lime zest I'm going to put in there. This salad dressing is to give it that sweet and a little bit of tangy taste because of the lime. And trust me guys, this salad dressing really came out so nice, and it really combined well with the fruits. I'm also going to add about 1 teaspoon of honey. Yes. And then once you have it there, we're going to mix this together. Trust me, you need to try this recipe. Once you do this, you're going to notice that you would want to eat fruit salads more. Okay. So once we're done with mixing our salad dressing, we're going to pour it into our fruit salad. And here it is. So once we have that, we're just going to get our fruit salad. You can also keep this in the refrigerator if you want it to get cold, but I didn't need to do that because the fruits were already cold. So I'm just going to pour in our salad dressing. And guys, look at what we have. We have a big bowl that supplies us with daily vitamins and minerals. A typical fruit salad can satisfy your recommended daily intake of almost every vitamin and mineral essential for your body. And of course, it contains high antioxidants. So what else are we looking for? For skincare lovers, I understand that we need to take care of our skin, we need to buy all those lovely products, but you need to take care of your skin from the inside out. And fruit salad is a great way to do that. Now I'm going to serve my fruit salad into this lovely cups. And trust me, guys, I enjoyed this. I actually had this for dinner with just a piece of chicken and I was okay. And it tasted so good. You're having friends coming around, you're thinking of what to add to the list of meals you want to prepare for the weekend. Make a bowl of fruit salad and then serve this to your guests. Trust me, they're going to love it. So let me know in the comments what you think about this fruit salad. Are you going to try it out? Fruit salad have lots and lots of importance and benefits, and I want you to give this a try. And this is what it looks like. So beautiful, so colorful. What else do we want? What else? What else are we looking for? I'm sure you can't wait to make your own fruit salad using this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and kindly share this video and give this a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you have not gotten my dinner recipe book, the link is in the description box. It contains 7 amazing dinner recipes for you. All you need to do is click that button in the description box and get yours right now. It's available for $2 or 976 Naira only. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.